Imagine a world where being just a millimeter off during surgery could mean big trouble. Sounds intense, right? Join us today as we go behind the scenes to reveal the surprising accuracy required in orthopedic implant sizing. You'll never look at a drill bit the same way again. Welcome to Ortho Implants for Life, your go-to source for orthopedic science and innovation. Disclaimer. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not medical advice. Chapter 1. The Invisible Foundation of Precision. A millimeter off doesn't sound like much, but in orthopedic surgery, it can mean bone misalignment, implant instability, or worse, a second surgery. That's why the Goldilocks Zone matters. The size must be just right, not too small, not too big. Join us as we visually explore the implants we'll discuss today. Chapter 2. Drill Bits. The First Impression. The drill bit starts the implant's journey. It creates the pathway for screws, plates, and wires. Here's what to know. Design precision. Bits come in cannulated or solid types, varying in diameter, length, and fluting style to guide screws exactly where needed. They are made from materials like German surgical stainless steel and sometimes coated with titanium nitride to increase durability. Material and coating. High-speed steel HSS, carbide, or coated bits, TIN, TIALN, help reduce friction and extend tool life, especially critical in cutting bone. Smart drills. Emerging tools are being developed that provide real-time feedback on angle, depth, and temperature, transforming accuracy in the OR. Chapter 3. Guide Wires, the Unsung Heroes of Alignment. Guide wires are the pathfinders, setting the track before any hardware goes in. Purpose and use. These thin, flexible wires lead instruments like reamers and nails into the exact trajectory over the bone. They're typically 2.5 millimeters in diameter and inserted under X-ray guidance. Fluoroscopy. Tip types. Options include ball tip and non-ball tip. A slight bend, or 10 to 15 millimeters above the tip, can help the wire navigate through complex anatomy. Modern twists. Steerable guide wires are an emerging technology, offering flexible and precise navigation through curved or complex bone paths. Chapter 4. The Synergy, where bits meet wires. When drill bits and guide wires work together, precision skyrockets. Sequence in action. It starts with guide wire placement, over which cannulated drill bits create the path. Then, implants, like nails or screws, follow that same guide channel, ensuring accuracy. Technique matters. Proper irrigation prevents excessive heat, which can damage bone, while frequent clearing of bone debris ensures clean, accurate drilling. High-speed drilling is now preferred for reduced thermal damage versus low speed. Chapter 5. Beyond the OR, the future of precision. Looking ahead, AR and AI in surgery. These technologies offer pre-op planning and real-time intra-op guidance, helping surgeons visualize exactly how tools interact with bones. 3D printed patient-specific instruments. Customized drill guides and implants make precision easier, tailored to each individual's anatomy. 3D printed custom drill guides have already shown improved alignment accuracy in femoral neck surgeries. Drill bits and guide wires may seem small, but they're the silent precision champions of orthopedic surgery.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.